how to get Juice WRLD skin for free in Fortnite. It's quite unfortunate that one of the biggest stars like Juice WRLD isn't among us anymore, but his fans are here to remember his spirit. Fortnite has added new Juice WRLD skin into the game, which players can attain and play the game as Juice. Juice WRLD skin can be earned before it's available in the item shop in Fortnite. As the skin will be available for free for a limited time, players are required to log in between November 25th at 9 a.m. Eastern Time and November 30th at 10 p.m. Eastern Time. This is the step-by-step guide for you to get Juice WRLD skin for free. Players will require Slayer Juice WRLD skin, 999 knives of black bling, 999 knives and pickaxes are required. Then there are certain loading screens are required, such as Adventure Remix, Number 1 Remix, Remix with Golden Touch, and Juice WRLD loading screen. It was confirmed by Fortnite that every other loading screen and items will be available for players to purchase from the item shop, but Juice WRLD's loading screen will be added to the item shop later on. Meanwhile, those who can't enter Fortnite during this time can collect these items in the future, but those who can log into Fortnite through their mobile phones can get the cosmetics set from the item shop for free. Players should get their hands on the skin while they can, as it's a small window of opportunity for them to get it for free.